another gift of mine. Alright, so let's go. Unbox. What is this? Look it. Ooh. What is this, guys? What do you think is this? Can you guess? Comment below. So here, guys, just gonna rip it up, and there you go. This is ooh,
Wow, what's that?
that's nice right there. I'm gonna wear a dress. Oh, look it, nice. This is for the lady dress.
Wow,
It's
that's
cute.
nice. Well, you
Right?
can wear that to church for
Uh-huh.
spring.
Okay, spring, whatever. Alright, so that's all for now. Bye-bye. Guys, I like this brand. I'm fan of CC. I like this. I got few collection from this brand.